and Juju's in the craft room. Come and see. It's Mama Juju crafting, chatting full of glee, playing her day away in her own.
Hey my chickadees, welcome back to the Back 40. We have December. It is for the 17th of December and the 18th of December. That is December day 10 and 11. We have a flip out page and an old photos and a mini pocket letter and specimen. Okay, I didn't do all of that. Alright, day 10 was a flip out page and old photos. Now I recorded this once, y'all. Even did part of the demo. We did one together, but I be doggone, it wasn't recording right. It didn't pick up any voice or anything. I don't know what the deal was. Okay, this is our flip out page that we did. Isn't she so cute? Isn't she cute? Okay, I have her in one of our busted pockets. This is my busted page here. And I made it for a pocket at the back. I took a vintage book and did the star pattern for the busted page. And I put her picture in the middle. And it says Friends Forever. She's so cute. Look at her. And I put it on a flip out page, which is one of my Eco Dye pages. And it just flips right on out, and I attached it to the back of one of Bonnie's pages there that she did for me. So that is that one. The one we did together was here because I wanted one in this signature too, and I put it right in the middle here. And this is one of our busted pages, and it is the curtain style, the curtain cut. And instead of going this way with it, I rolled it up this way so we could see him. Look at him, ain't he cute? It's a 1956 old black and white photo. I don't know his name. He wasn't identified. But we're going to call him George because he just looks so cute. Look at him. He is ready with his little Christmas tree and everything. So I did the curtain style busted page on it. And I attached a piece of vintage fabric that I tied into a bow here. And at the bottom, I put some lace behind the card that says Embrace Life. Because he just looked like he ready to do it all. Isn't he cute? And I made it, when I glued it down, I left the side opening here so we could slide a secret note up in there. But this is the day number 10. This is a flip out page and old photos. For day number 11. And for the busted for my busted ephemera, I have a how-to video. I'll try to remember to link it down the bottom, but you can go back and find it. It's the one I did for Miss Rowe on our busted pocket tutorial how-to. Now for the mini letter page pockets, I put it right in the middle of the signatures here, and I made this one, and it has the different little specimens of our a little mini ATCs of all the different fabrics. That's a belly band on that one, and a lace flower, and there's some of that lace over top of that, and there's a vintage button with some thread there, and I just put it right in the middle of the signature. I did not do the specimen card, but Bonnie had included one of the flowers from her yard in here, so there it is there. Okay, that is our December the 10th and 11th, day 17 and 18. Okay, that's my deal. Bye. See y'all on the next go round.